We have to secure you in handcuffs. We'll figure it out. Doesn't necessarily mean you're going to jail. Stop. And she had 3 separate warrants.
Oh,
yeah.
So she's going regardless.
So this is crack pipe.
Yeah.
It's just got residue. Yeah, I'm gonna just throw it away.
March 9th, 2025. A mall. A shoplifting call. She got caught. She had warrants. They arrested her. That part is clean. What is not clean is what the officer did in the last 2 minutes of this footage. Here is the first problem. Before any warrant came back, the officer asked her to open the bag. She said yes. Under Florida versus Bostick, yes does not automatically mean legal consent. Not if a reasonable person in that spot would have felt like they could not say no.
Copy.
Hello. How's it going? Okay. Do you have things in your bag?
Uh-huh.
You have things in your bag?
Yes, I do, sir.
Okay. Can you take them out for me?
Yes.
Just take them out for me. 10-4. I'm in here with her if you want to come in. All right. Is there anything else in there? Mind letting me see? Can I see? Just to make sure there's nothing. Okay.
I'm sorry.
What are we doing? Did you come in here yesterday as well?
I didn't come here yesterday.
With a hamper? I mean, there's video of it.
Not yesterday. I did.
Brown hoodie, hamper, in here with a friend. And there's video of it. I was here last night.
I apologize, sir.
I got you. Do you have an ID or anything on you? No driver's license, state ID, nothing like that? I don't know. I think what he wants to happen is you getting trespassed. So that might be what happens. I'm not for certain, okay? I'm gonna have you hang out with him, okay? I'm gonna go talk to them, see what the solution's gonna be, and we'll go from there, okay? So she had a couple of like kids' shoes. It looked like that's all that she had. Yeah. What do you guys want? You want her to trespass? Obviously you guys are gonna get the property back.
I know they're going to press charges, but definitely trespass. I need y'all official on that since she's caught on site permanently.
Okay. So, I mean, as far as what she's tried to take today, there's no offense yet. Pretty close, but not yet. So you just want to have her trespass then? Okay. All right, we'll do that. And obviously you said she's been violent in the past and everything. She's not today. So hopefully she just won't come back here.
I mean, we've got tons of footage of her taking stuff before, you know. You see,
I got you.
Basket stuff last night.
Yeah. If you guys get video and everything like that, and you determine you want to press charges and everything, then you can go that route. But if tonight you just need her trespass,
yeah, for today, and then I'll build an actual case.
Okay.
That way.
Perfect. And we'll have her identified and everything. So, cool. I think so.
You just gonna bring me paperwork on it later, or how's that work?
I can bring you the incident number. It's not the report number, it's the incident number for the call. I can give you that. I can't give you the trespass sheet itself because we have to keep that for our records. Okay. But I can come back with our name and stuff if you need that.
Yeah, just any info that I can give to my boss.
Okay, sure. It looks like you might have a warrant, okay? So I need to drop the bag. Mm-hmm.
Oh.
I don't know. We need to drop the bag. We have to secure you in handcuffs. We'll figure it out. Doesn't necessarily mean you're going to jail. Stop. Like I said, doesn't necessarily mean you're going to jail. Could be NTA. I have no idea.
What's in your pockets? Go ahead and throw that in there.
Okay, stop reaching in your pockets, okay?
I'm sorry. I gotta work out.
They're going to have to tell us. That's why they're asking us to secure
I'm
you.
just now learning this too. I'm learning it with you.
What's 99?
FDA.
99 means warrant. So you have a warrant out of Sangamon County and
You
McLean
have
County.
a
So the Sangamon County one is for larceny, which is basically retail theft. McLean County, it sounds like the same
10-4,
thing.
go ahead and confirm them all.
Of course, you're from McLean County.
Well, apparently you missed it.
Are you serious? What's today's date?
Today is March 10th. Do you want to take her out?
Yeah.
Come on outside.
34.
Can we go this
Get
way?
your car.
Go ahead. Yeah, it's that way.
You want me to go this way? Or?
Correction on that McLean County one is going to be for adult.
10-9. It's for what?
For McLean County, one's going to be for assault, and they will also
Let's
extradite.
go out this way.
What they saying?
10-4.
What they saying?
She's just giving me information about what you're wanted for.
A lot of it sounds like failure to appear.
34, was that traffic for making?
10-4. Can you start a female officer if you got one available?
10-4, 39, can you head up to the mall? Can you head to the mall at Gold to about 34?
To be fair, she did not hesitate. The officer was not aggressive. Courts have let searches like this stand. But if this ever goes to a motion to suppress, Bostick is the first case on the brief, and everything in that bag rides on it. The search happened before dispatch confirmed any warrants, so the legal hook was either her consent or Terry versus Ohio. Terry lets an officer do a pat-down based on reasonable suspicion. It does not give blanket authority to go through someone's bag. A tip from loss prevention about concealed merchandise can be enough to establish reasonable suspicion. That might hold up, but it has to be documented. If it is not in writing, it is not in court.
There it is, right here in the front. Weed. It looked like a white powder for the substance for a second, but it's just weed.
Okay.
I don't know what else yeah. Sorry, at first it looked like I didn't open it in there. It looked like only saw the back half.
Yeah.
Good job. Good job.
Wonder what she's gonna want to do with that then.
Huh?
So I want to see what she's gonna want to do with that. It's either throw it away or us having to tag it. I doubt she's gonna want to throw it away.
Well, it all depends on if it's ditch weed or if she bought it at a dispensary.
Yeah. I'm just gonna run her and make sure it is who she is. Alright. So that's our call number, the event number, and then that's her name, and she was trespassed.
We got your name on there.
Yep.
Okay, and that's her.
Yep.
Cool.
And she had 3 separate warrants.
Oh,
Yeah.
so she's going regardless.
Yeah.
Where was the stuff that she had? I gotta
I'll take that to you. I'll take you to that.
I've been after her for like 2 months. They finally let me have the green light. He's like, I'll give you 30 days. If she comes back in at 1.
Yeah.
16 or Ross County.
We're going to county or headquarters?
Headquarters, I copy.
Close. So what's sitting right here? I don't know if somebody already put them away or what, but
Oh, were you looking for shoes?
Did we have those with the recovery from her?
The little kid shoes that were there? Do
Yeah.
you need them?
well, he
I
needs
will.
them. Yeah.
He doesn't.
Okay. I just picked them up. I didn't know what they were.
But yeah, they were right here.
Okay, I guess we're good then. Okay, cool.
Cool.
I appreciate it a lot.
Yep,
man.
no problem, man. You too.
Your traffic ready, sir.
10-4, I have a detail for you in a park if you're ready.
Yeah, go ahead.
It's going to be a 9 caller refused on the ATP. They advised Jason Isbell, last name wearing a brown hoodie, black sweatpants, is hanging out here by the pavilion. He's 99 and is go for juvenile delinquent. He also has an alert for carrying a 30.
Is that what your husband or the baby's at? Your boyfriend? Well, when you get downtown, you'll be able to make a phone call so you can let him know what's going on. Huh?
He's going to be a white male, 15 years old, last name wearing brown hoodie and black sweatpants.
Awesome.
Huh?
So this is a crack pipe.
Yeah.
It's just got residue. Yeah, I'm gonna just throw it away.
It's up to you, yeah.
I'm fine with just throwing it away. She doesn't have any like actual crack.
You
It's
just
just
got a bunch of crud in here, huh?
I'm gonna throw this away, okay?
You don't have any purpose for it, right? All right. It's gonna cost you.
Appreciate it.
Good luck to you, all right?
Thank you.
Sorry, I'll finish the paper.
her, and then the neighbor was talking. And I have a bad habit of when someone's talking to me, I turn down the radio so I can hear them.
That's all you missed.
By the time she said Deputy Harris, I was like, shit.
It's all right. It happens. Happens to the best of us.
But I was actually out working, so I get points for that.
Hey, what funeral home did you put? Do you have my cuffs, or did you put them back?
I put them in your box.
Which funeral home is it at?
Let me look.
Did they ever come back with Sangamon counties?
I didn't hear it.
Okay.
I didn't
Harry ran the road on a signal 30. They were in the driveway when they saw me. They ran into the garage.
Well, I'm gonna take off.
Or it doesn't matter anyway. You still got
Yeah.
all that other crap.
Yeah, so I'm gonna take off.
Thanks, man. Good
Appreciate
job.
it.
Once the cuffs went on, Miranda versus Arizona kicks in. You cannot question someone in custody without advising them of their rights first. There is no Miranda warning on this footage. Maybe it happened off camera. Maybe it did not. That needs to be locked down before trial. Now here is the part that actually matters. The officer found a crack pipe with residue and decided to throw it away instead of tagging it. Under Illinois case law, People versus Hill, residue in a pipe is possession. Illinois Compiled Statutes, Chapter 720, Section 600/3.5 covers paraphernalia. That pipe was evidence. Tossing it before the prosecutor decides what to charge is not the officer's call to make. Under Mapp versus Ohio, when you have a gap in your evidence chain, the defense finds it. You cannot unthrow something away. Look, the officer probably figured trace residue was not worth the paperwork. That is understandable, but good faith does not put the exhibit back. It does not make the case stronger. It just means the mistake was honest, and the result is still the same. The weed is its own issue. Illinois went legal on recreational cannabis under Illinois Compiled Statutes, Chapter 410. Section 705/10-10, effective January 1st, 2020. Whether what she had was over the legal limit is not something you can tell from the footage. On the officer, most of this encounter was handled well. He kept things calm, explained the warrant process straight, and called for a female officer before the search. That is the right move. The crack pipe call at the end is what knocks it down. On her, she was cooperative the whole time, did not fight the cuffs, did not make it harder than it had to be. That is real mitigation. 3 active warrants and a history at this store tell the other side of that story. Prosecutors look at both. First takeaway. For officers, consent means more than the word yes. Florida versus Bostick says the circumstances around that yes matter just as much. If someone is surrounded by a cop and security in a mall, document why the consent was voluntary, not just that they agreed. Second, still for officers, anything that could be evidence goes in the bag. Full stop. The call on whether to charge belongs to the prosecutor, not the officer on scene. Once you throw something away, that decision is made for everybody, and not in a good way. Third, for anyone watching with active warrants, there is no such thing as a low-key situation where your warrant just does not come up. A shoplifting call, a traffic stop, a park check, dispatch runs your name every time. 3 failure to appears will catch up to you somewhere. If you know a case worth breaking down, put it in the comments. The law only works when people actually pay attention to it. Thanks for watching.